It's that time of year again when Thanksgiving is almost here. And the first thing I'm going to make for my menu is a dessert, meringue sweet potato pie. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. I have a sheet pan here with some sweet potatoes. I'm going to put them in the oven and let them bake for about 30 to 40 minutes or until when it's cooked. Salt, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, brown sugar, evaporated milk, unsalted butter, eggs, and I have here egg whites for the meringue. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you, I'm going to use a ready-made pie crust. The best one that I like is Pillsbury pie crust. There are a bunch of different varieties out there you can choose from. But this one here I find makes the best pie crust. Let's start assembling the pie crust. Now let's make a little crimp on the top. You take your 2 fingers and press your 2 index fingers and you press. See? So now we done formed the pie crust. Let's get to making the filling. Let the spices jump into the bowl. The brown sugar. The granulated sugar. The vanilla extract. The butter. And the eggs. Now we're going to blend everything up together. Until it gets nice and smooth. Now let's add the evaporated milk. Now let's add the filling to the pie crust. Now we've added all the pie filling to the pie crust. We're going to put the pie in the oven for 30 minutes. Then we'll come back to the next step. Now let's make the meringue. I have the egg whites in the bowl already, and I've added a tablespoon of sugar. And now we're going to mix it with a handheld mixer. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. We're going to beat this until it turns to stiff heat. We add the sugar a little at a time. Okay, now the way you can tell if it's ready, you can turn the bowl upside down, and if it don't fall out, then it's stiff enough. I've taken the pie out of the oven, and the next thing we do is we put the meringue on top. Then we're going to put it back in the oven and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that I've put the meringue on the sweet potato pie, we're going to put it in the oven and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Here you have it, meringue sweet potato pie. Enjoy. Okay, let's cut it and see how it came out. It's a little hot, so we might have a little problem taking it out. The first piece might be all cracked up. See? Let's try some. It's hot now because I took it out. I should have let it cool a little longer, but very tasty. The nutmeg, the cinnamon, the ginger, all the spices you can taste in this. Mm, mm, very tasty. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.